Trap? Trap?
Trap.
Hindi kaya. Ano ba?
Sira na lang natin natin.
It's okay, it's okay. Sorry,
Okay lang.
That's your fault.
Ilang sandali pa muli nilang sinubukang ilagay ang ikalawang layer sa tore ni Maymay.
Sige, bes.
Sabi niyo, di ko makita.
Sige, bes, bes.
Yung pang tutok.
Sige.
Edward, hold the end.
Hindi ba? Isa po.
Konti lang po.
Yan. Okay.
Teka lang, ano? Stable ha?
Stable, please.
Okay.
Scanner. Or...
Higit pagka hinila.
Dito.
Pinupush ko, te.
Oh! Go!
Wait lang, wait lang ha. Straight. Okay na yan.
Muli na silang naging abala sa huling tower na kanilang ipopwesto sa platform.
Mali, mali. Mali na lang.
Ang galing ninyo, ate, no?
Oh, oh, oh.
Alisin mo muna yung.
Sabay. Hindi ganito.
Wag, wag, wag.
Dahan-dahan.
Yo, wait. I-lift nyo, ha? Lift nyo, lift nyo. Kaya mo i-lift na, Nico?
Sige, sige. Tulong, tulong.
One.
Alisin ko na to ha. Oh. Pre, mahulog ako, pre. Hawak ka ni Tanner.
Paray.
Pang hawak.
Oo, ang ikli oh. Anong pwersa?
Baka kaya ni Tanner. Mahaba siya.
James, Tanner, you want? Kumay. Sige, sige, sige. Sige.
Wag mo na.
Wait, wait, wait.
Oh, sige, Tanner.
Steady.
You guys want me to grab it?
Sigaw.
Sige, pag-grab nyo na kay Tanner.
Si Tanner tumulong na para mas mapabilis na mailipat ang mabigat na tower.
He's already making
Yes.
another one.
I got it.
Yan na.
Yeah, it is.
We need to push it back.
Oras na dapat nakatayo.
Okay.
Right na lang, right na lang.
Right.
Okay, let's go like that. Yeah. This is not right. Ah, sige. Okay, put it back there.
Support.
Stable.
Wait.
Attack.
Go.
Nice. Don't stable. Wait.
Guys. Okay, girls.
Have a little faith. Feeling accomplished na rin po kami, kuya, kasi sobrang matagal na we've been working. Finally, ilalagay na yung bubong.
Sige, dito kami, dito kami.
Young in the
Sino yung 6? Yung sa middle ka daw.
We won't have to remove.
Sabay dapat.
Hopefully, it just squishes down.
Sige, sige.
Dapat malapit tayo dito if ever.
Everyone to the right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Doing na.
Give me dito.
Well steady. When's the rest? Watch out for the hole. It's a hole. We will stop before putting on the roof. Medyo mahirap kasi we all had to do it sabay-sabay without breaking.
Yeah. Don't worry. You guys are doing good.
Alright, we're all gonna go up, and then once we're up high enough, you guys drop. The middle drops. Go. Alright, 3, 2, 1, everybody up. Middle down. Everyone to the right.
Masaya kasi alam ko lahat na challenge kami mentally, physically. Nagkaroon kami ng maraming pagkakataon na gumawa kami ng trial and error. Maraming beses kami na nabigo. Pero pinilit pa rin namin gumawa ng paraan sa tiyaga, pagsusumikap at determinasyon ng bawat isa at sa tulong ng bawat isa. Nagawa namin makapagtayo ng 4 na haligi.
Towards us. Can you release it towards us a little bit? Towards us.
Kinakabahan ako kasi po, kuya, parang hindi pa namin sure kung kakayanin ng Tori yung bubong. Kasi hindi sila pare-pareho ng length. Ito.
Ano?
Kuya Jerome, kailangan mo nga.
Good?
Taas na. Kailangan. Ibaba na.
Good? Slowly down.
Hindi na kasi ito eh.
Ayan, muna.